first NIT of 4 blocks for auction on 30th of September 2022. As per the bid schedule, today is the pre-bid meeting which is held at Institute of Managers Braganza. We had a very good enthusiastic response. 24 companies have participated in the pre-bid conference, and it went very well.
All are from Goa?
No, not necessarily, including Goa. There are companies from all over the country. They have participated. Not to answer those written queries. The queries have come in hundreds. So we will be preparing answers for that, and the last date to give answer is the 3rd of November.
To
answer those. But today, basically, the pre-bid conference is we have made a presentation about the bid, the tender document and the process. And there was another presentation by MSTC which runs the bid process on their portal. So they have explained how the bid process runs, how they have to bid for it, how the documents are to be uploaded, how the auction takes place. Thereafter, we had a question and answer session. While some of clarificatory nature they have asked, some have repeated the questions they have asked in the query part of it. So it was a very good response. So thereafter the technical qualification happens. Then in December the auction process takes place.